Want to learn a language? Something engaging, dynamic for you. Let's focus on vocabulary today. Link will be in description. As always, no worries. Let's start. Word up. Choose free plan. I've already played with it, so now I have some reviews to do. As you can see, most features are paid, but we can still have some fun and learn here. You have the word and you have its exercises. Repetition is key.
Whimsy.
You have different types of exercises. You have the explanation. You can listen to the word, sentences where the word is used in context, and also expressions.
Playful or odd ideas are actions that are done spontaneously, without any particular reason. For example, her living room was full of whimsy, with brightly colored decorations and unusual furniture.
It gives you positive reinforcement. Let's continue reviewing. Decide when you want to review the word. Is time up? No, you can increase your resources for free. So, what's good about this app? It focuses on high-frequency exercises, easy to memorize. You have words in context, you have expressions. It's personalized to your level. You have visual and audio. You can repeat it. What's not so good about this app? Limited free plan. It only has one feature. It's limited to the English language, and sometimes it can be a little bit monotonous. Hey, do check out the channel because I have a lot of tools on learning languages. You have tools to learn speaking, listening. You can practice all the skills. So do check it out because it's really worth it. I assure you. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best AI tools for you in your projects. Thank you so much for watching.